Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Sleep. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix direct messaging option not available on TikTok. So let's get started. For that, let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now click on profile icon in the bottom and click on this three-line icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem here. Now click on interaction and click on direct message over here. And at first we can see direct messaging is no longer available. So that is our problem. So let's tap on that. And we can see few things here, that is only users age 16 and over will be able to send and receive direct messages. And if you are below 16, that is not possible to send direct message. But if you are above 16 and yet direct messaging option is not available, it might be because your age is lower in TikTok. For that, you can simply go to others over here and scroll down and need more help. And here you need to simply write your problem, that is your age needs to be changed, and or you want your direct messaging option since you are above 16. So once you write all of your problem here, simply send the message from the right, and the TikTok help desk will finally address your problem and it will be fixed. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.